Welcome. Markets are going sideways. Markets are sometimes moving nervous. This trend is expected to continue for some more time. It's results time. So any announcements also will bring the market and certain stocks also down. Next 2 months, we are going to see huge opportunities in fundamentally good stocks, indices, and even in mutual funds, even in gold and silver. Why? One is US is going for elections now. November 5th, US elections is there, and once the announcement of the new government formation, definitely there will be huge reactions not only in the US market but also in the Indian market. We have seen first time when Mr. Trump has been elected, that day gold, silver, commodities, equities worldwide have taken a huge reaction, huge volatility. That opportunity we can see once again in November month. So October month, because of results and because of Iran-Israel issues, again November US elections and also Maharashtra elections in India will definitely give great opportunities in fundamentally good stocks, indices, commodities, mutual funds. So I have made some few lists which I am keeping as a track based on technicals, based on the amount of correction that can take place and major support levels which can give us an understanding about where to enter when there is correction or where to enter when there is a huge dip. Come, I'll show you certain important stocks, indices and mutual funds which can be bought when markets really correct. But I am not a SEBI analyst. I have just done some research. I found some interesting facts. I'm just sharing it with you on an educational purpose. Please consult your advisor before really taking decisions to invest. Come, the research studies which is helping me to understand what are the best levels for certain indices, stocks and even mutual funds, I'll show you right away. So first, for all of us, what we require is Nifty. So where we can really buy Nifty so that we can consider buying Nifty in the right place so that you get a better opportunity to invest. The first one, Nifty 50, 23,500 to 24,000 is a good support level. One can consider buying a mutual fund which is an index based mutual fund or an ETF, Nifty ETF at this juncture in a mode of accumulation. Next, Nifty small cap 250. For all those aggressive traders, for all those who want excitement, for all those who can take a risk, for them Nifty small cap 250 generally excites us, right? So that is the level is around 16,000 to 17,000 level is a good level to consider buying that particular Nifty small cap 250. Then bank ETF, that is 480 to 500 is a good level to consider buying bank Nifty ETF. Next is Mr. Sanjeev Goenka. He has made major announcement that in the next 2 to 3 years, 4 years, there is going to be almost 3 to 4 times his companies are going to grow because of the capex they have planned, because of the strategy they have established, which are giving results, which will give better returns to the investors also. So I have selected one of the stocks from that is PCBL, and the important range for PCBL is 360 to 400 levels. Next is the much spoken stock, Bajaj Housing Finance. Most of us have not got allotment. We are waiting for the right price to buy this stock. Those who got allotment are happy. Those who have not got the allotment, for them 100 to 130 rupees per share is a better level to invest in Bajaj Housing Finance. And next is Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, RVNL. We all know that railway stocks are in focus, and 340 to 400 levels can be a reasonable good levels to accumulate, keep accumulating as market falls, because finding at the right bottom is always very tough, but we can take it on a what you call accumulation mode, we can also consider placing a GTC order, that is good till cancel, at different levels, so that when the market falls, automatically the stocks are captured, the orders are placed in the market, and whenever it falls, we'll get opportunity to buy. So GTC, that is good till cancel orders, one can place in your demat accounts, in your trading account. Now coming to the mutual fund. So when market fall and market has really fallen huge, at that point it's worth for all those people who have SIP, they can add some more at these levels. Some interesting mutual funds which have shortlisted, which are there in my particular portfolio of mutual funds, is Axis Innovation Fund. Then we have Quant Manufacturing Fund, Quant Small Cap Fund. So in Quant, two funds, manufacturing and small cap. Next in ICICI Prudential, we have almost three interesting funds. One is Exports and Services Fund. India is focusing completely on exports, right? So Exports and Services Fund is going to be a good, focus. Next is Pharma, Healthcare and Diagnostics, which is in right now trending, which is giving leadership to the market in the current scenario. Then Housing Opportunities Mutual Fund. Housing sector is growing at 10% and government is expected to give more focus in this particular segment for the next 5 years. So ICICI Prudential Housing Opportunities Fund is very interesting fund. Then under SBI, Consumption Opportunities Fund. This is the evergreen fund which can give better returns on a long-term basis, irrespective of the market scenarios, irrespective of the governments that will take up in the country. So consumption is a major strength of India. So Consumption Opportunities Fund. Then we have SBI Contra Fund, contrarian approach of investing. Next is DSP Nifty Small Cap 250. Quality 50 Index Fund growth can also be a good opportunity for us to consider when the markets really correct. So please do your research before market falls, so that you need not keep looking here and there, but when the opportunity comes, you are prepared, you are ready to take entry and confidently make some investments going forward and get some great entries. As Mr. Damani says, the most profits he made is when he bought when market is down, when the stocks have corrected a lot, and his main focus stocks he has picked up at that level, which has given great returns in his lifetime. I think that approach is a great approach. We also should really try to emulate Mr. Ramesh Damani and see how the results are for us and how is our luck. Happy trading, happy investing. Thank you.